Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install Esign on iOS, the best way to install IPA files on your iPhone or iPad without a computer. If you've been looking for an easy method, this video is just for you. Let's get started. Open Safari on your device and go to this website, scarletinstall.bio link. Here, you'll find the option to install Esign, Install DNS Profile. Before installing Esign, you need to download and install the DNS profile. Click Allow when prompted. Go to Settings, Profile Downloaded, enter your passcode, and install the DNS profile. Go back to the website and select the Esign installer. Choose any installation link available. If one doesn't work, try another. Click Install and wait for the installation to complete. If you see Unable to install, simply try another link. If you see Untrusted Developer, the link is working, but you need to verify Esign. Go to Settings, General, VPN, and Device Management. Click Trust for the installed profile. Go back to the website and download the Esign certificate, zip file. Open Esign and tap the three dots in the top right corner. Click Import and select the certificate zip file you downloaded. Click the file, unzip it, select the certificate, and click Import. Now that the certificate has been imported, you're ready to install IPA files. Click Import and select the IPA file you want to install. That's it! You can now install IPA files using Esign without limits and without a computer. If this video was helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.